Hey guys, and welcome back to Just Giulia. Today I have a special guest with me, my youngest sister, Sonia.
Hi guys.
I know you're used to hearing Liz's voice behind the camera. She's still here today.
I'm still here.
And in celebration for Family Day, we're making a really tasty and delicious stuffed shells pasta. You ready?
I'm ready.
She's gonna do all the hard jobs. The chopping,
yep.
the sauteing,
yep.
stuffing.
Yep.
So if you'd like to see some more recipes, please subscribe to my channel. But let's get ready for the spinach.
Sounds good.
First things first, we're going to bake this pasta, so we need to preheat the oven to 350. You know how to do that, right?
Yep.
This is a new kitchen, so we're still getting used to all the appliances. Okay, sorry about that technical difficulty, but it's on now. It took a while, but we figured out the oven, and it's set now to 350. So Sonia.
Yes.
You're gonna have to sort through this spinach. There's 2 bunches.
Okay.
Go through and take off all the stems, and you can put the stems in here.
Okay.
And then I know you're scared to chop things.
I don't like knives.
And she doesn't like knives. She has a big fear of cutting herself. But what you're gonna do is take a spinach like this. This is like the most beginner way of slicing stuff that you're not gonna cut your finger off. And then just do little strips like that. Okay? It's not that bad.
Okay.
Go for it.
Thank you. To the side for a minute.
Okay, now while Sonia's cutting that spinach, we're going to get our filling ready. So for the filling, we have about 3 cups of ricotta cheese. We have our 2 eggs, that's gonna bind the filling. And then we have about 1.5 cups of grated parmesan cheese. Okay, I got a nice big bunch, so we're not here for 5 years. Okay, good.
Got it.
Okay, yeah. Do a little roll, okay. Okay, that's not so bad, but just really keep your fingers away from the flame. You're gonna be doing some cooking, don't wear fake nails.
Yes, that's a big no-no.
That's a big no-no, but that's actually not bad. Only this to go, and then all of this.
We got time, don't we?
We got time. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on the filling. Put your stem bowl over there. So we're gonna combine the ricotta, the parmesan, and then we're gonna do our 2 eggs. Once the spinach is sauteed, it's gonna go into this mixture also. But I have a feeling that could take a while. So, Sonia.
Yes.
What are some of your favorite things to cook?
I really like to make pizza.
No, you don't. I'm a pizza chef.
Pasta is one of my favorites.
You're such a liar.
I can confirm that that's a lie too.
Yeah.
I don't really cook that
At the
much,
restaurant,
honestly.
she's the bartender. It took a while, but we finally did it.
We did it.
You feel confident in your chopping skills now?
I do, yeah.
Okay, so let's move on to the garlic, which is a little bit of a harder thing to chop here, because first you have to peel it.
Okay.
So why don't I show you one?
Okay.
So I'll do 3. You want to do 3 cloves? Or want to do 4 cloves?
I think start with 30.
So make sure the garlic is lying flat. Then just take the knife, smash it, and then all of that skin comes off. Got it. I think those fake nails are like holding you back a little bit. No, they're not. Okay, good. So now to chop this garlic, here I'll show you a long quick one. You're just gonna lay the garlic out and you're just gonna roughly chop it, okay? So it's more like a rocking motion.
Okay.
Okay.
Into small pieces?
Into small bite-sized pieces.
Okay.
And then while she's doing that, I'm gonna get this pan preheated. And we're gonna saute the spinach with the garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of chili flakes.
That look good?
That chunk's a little big.
Okay.
I don't wanna have like major garlic breath after eating
Yes. Nobody eat this, okay?
If you're going on a date, don't eat anything that Sonia's made with chopped garlic. Okay, that actually looks okay.
Okay.
So put the garlic into the oil.
Okay.
And you can use the knife, you have to transfer. Careful. Critical point here.
Okay.
So saute that up a little bit. I can take those. Got it. Okay. So you're looking for the garlic to get nice and brown, not black. So if you notice that the garlic is cooking too quickly, just take it right off the heat, because that'll stop the cooking process. So this is going to go pretty quickly. Yeah, starting to get a little golden. And then do like a few pinches of chili flakes. Like looming over here.
Yeah. Is that okay?
Let's do a little more, There's a lot of spinach.
Okay.
Okay. Spinach is standing by. Now stir it a little bit. Now it's kind of a lot of spinach, so we might have to put it in half at a time. Okay. That smells good. Let's see. Oh yeah, looks great. Okay. So get a handful of spinach, put that right in. Whoa! Don't be scared. More? Yep. Yeah, a little more. Actually, you can probably put all of this. So I'll tell you that too. Okay, and then we'll do some salt and pepper. Okay. The spinach is going to cook down so much. It's going to be like a little tiny portion at the end. But make sure you put enough salt in because there's so much water in there. You really have to make sure you season it enough. Okay, let me know. Or else the salt, it'll be really bland. More. More. Okay, that's good. Good stir it? Yeah, give it a little stir. All the garlic is still at the bottom, so make sure you're stirring the garlic through the spinach because it'll burn if it's just at the bottom. Okay, spinach is all done.
That's crazy.
That's reduced a lot. Yep. It's a tiny little bunch now. Okay, you can put that into this filling here.
Okay, into that bowl?
Yeah, put it into here. And normally you want to let this cool down a little bit, but that's okay. We'll just go ahead and mix it all up now. Okay, so give that a really good stir. And then we have our pre-cooked shells here already. So I cooked these earlier, pot of boiling salted water, for like 8 to 10 minutes. They're still like pretty firm. Because we're going to bake them, we don't want them to get too soggy. So, because we're professional chefs, we're using piping bag again. Okay. One of my favorite tools. We're going to put all that filling in the piping bag. Okay. I'll hold it and you put it in. Yep. We're spooning the filling in here. If it starts to fall at the bottom a little bit, just kind of turn it up and it won't spill out of the bottom there. Okay, that looks good. This is going to be very tasty. Okay, once it's all in the bag, we're ready to fill our shells. All right. First, we're going to get our baking dish, which is right there. This one? Yeah. And then spoon a little bit of sauce in the bottom. Okay. So, yeah, you can use that spoon. So this is a little bit? Yeah, this is already cooked tomato sauce. So it's really simple. It's just crushed tomatoes sauteed with some olive oil and garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper. You can make this the day before, or you can even buy canned or jarred tomato sauce. So just do a nice thin layer so that the shells don't stick. Okay, that looks good. You like it saucy? I like it saucy. Medium to a lot of sauce?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Then we're going to take our shells and hold on one sec here. So you're going to hold the piping bag in your dominant hand, like if you're right-handed or left-handed, and just fill the inside, like so. And then we're going to place it in the pan here. Your turn now.
Okay, thank you.
Want me to hold the shell for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Be gentle pressure there. Oh, a little burst. Okay, that's good.
One down.
One down.
50 to go.
Okay, stop. Okay. There's gonna be some really hearty stuffed shells. You know what? Maybe I should see this part.
Okay, do you want me to hold the shell?
Yeah, you hold the shell. Let's do some teamwork. Okay. You don't have to hold it. It's not a baby bird. Okay, that's good. You're like nestling it. Just make sure it's nice and open. Yeah, okay. Good.
That's better for you.
Let's speed this up a little. So we're going to fan them out. Okay. And we're just going to fill up all the shells. If we need to do a double-decker layer, we'll do a double-decker layer. Okay. Doesn't that look so pretty?
It looks amazing.
It looks really good. So now we're just gonna go in between the shells and add a little bit of tomato sauce so it doesn't get too dried out when it's cooking.
Okay.
But try to make it still look pretty. So like, yeah, just like little gentle dollops in between, yeah. And then like a little bit in the center.
Okay.
And then we're going to grate some cheese on top.
Okay.
This is Parmigiano Reggiano.
Okay, my favorite.
Yeah, looking really good. So since everything's already cooked in here, we're just looking for that sauce to get nice and bubbly and for that cheese to get really nice and melted. I have a little more cheese to get really cheesy.
That's arm workout.
And you missed a corner over there. Okay, that looks good.
Good?
Yeah, let's put it in the oven.
Okay.
I got the door for you.
Thank you.
Going in.
Going in. Good job. Done.
The shells just came out of the oven and they look so good.
They look delicious.
Do you want to make this recipe again?
I think I will.
Okay, well thank you so much for your help. And if you want to see more tasty recipes, please subscribe down below. Thanks, son.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.